In 1998, my husband and I visited Kansas City to attend our niece's wedding. We carried the traditional crimson red wedding lehenga for the bride. It had been painstakingly made by hand in an extended family boutique. The weight and volume really tested us on the international flight. It was a very heavy package, but this was, the mama mommy going. Now, a few years later, it was the bride's sister, our other niece, announcing her marriage. I remember thinking, what will the color be this time? Maybe orange? Imagine my surprise when I learned she was going to use her sister's wedding dress. Thank you. Her decision made a vague sense to me back then. It makes perfect sense today. I think she was a zoomer before her time. A big shift is happening in the world of buying and selling. Did you think, for instance, that it's just the Indians sweating a bargain? Price has begun to excite the zoomer as much. In fact, it's emerging as their primary motivator when shopping. And this is not about lack of money. Their Gen X parents provide well. And many of these Zoomers have their own personal sources of income. I see it in my own family. It's hard to get our family Zoomers to match the enthusiasm of their grandmother. They're not particularly excited about an expensive jaunt to the 17th sector in Chandigarh anymore. The young just meander around listlessly while my mother, she begins to tire out slowly. She's fighting to keep a cheerful face. Though the obvious indifference our precious grandchildren show to the big brands all around them is pretty disappointing. Really, those times of being defined by your brands are long gone. The Zoomers are creating their own personal brands. A brand today is something that is perceived and marketed by the influencer who wears it. I recently attended a webinar on the importance of early styling to enhance your child's individuality. My initial reaction was of alarm. But then it began to make some kind of a sense, because after all, the Zoomers do live lives in pictures and do value standing apart. So the question to ask is, how does this most photographed generation strike a balance between their sustainability goals and their need for newness? The answer brings us back to the ideas of rental, resale and thrift, slow fashion as against fast fashion. Fast fashion is a criminal waste. Thoughtful shopping makes it possible for Zoomers to flip their wardrobe without hurting the environment.